Welcome back to Andy's Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to duplicate project in Asana. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Asana, I need you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Duplicating a project in Asana is a useful feature for creating a new project based on an existing one, especially if the structure and tasks are similar. Now, in my case, I'm going to open a specific project in this dashboard. I'm going to click on this one. And then now I need you to go to your home page and look for the project that you wanted to create a duplicate. For example, in this project, it's very easy and a straightforward process because all you're going to do is right click and you should be able to have an option that says duplicate. All right. Now, if you can't see the duplicate option, that means there could be a bug or the site is down. So you might want to go for the help center here on the troubleshooting steps from the customer supports in Asana. Now, we will do that later. But for now, I'm going to switch to a different method, which is I'm going to create a new project. All right. Now, you can use a template. We have a separate video on how to create a template in Asana so that you might want to check out. I save that and I can use that to create a duplicate project instead. All right. In my case, I'm going to rename it as how to duplicate a project. So all the information from that specific project will be retained. It's simply as a copy. So there's two ways. All right. Number one is, again, just right click. There should be a copy of it right here. But I can't find the option. There should be an ellipsis button here. Now, since we're having problems here in Asana, we might want to go to the customer support. You can see the project is being created. Just wait for it to load. Now, let's check on how we can troubleshoot the problem of duplicating projects if we can't find the duplicate option. There's going to be a chatbot here. Let's try to see if we get an answer. All right. Otherwise, hover down below where you can find the support button. And if you get a hold of one of the support staff, tell them you are having problems duplicating a project here in Asana. You can't find the duplicate option. All right. And probably they will give you insights and troubleshooting steps on how to fix it. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.